Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to create long articles using Google Gemini. So you can use Gemini at different stages while creating a long form article. So the first way you can use it for is brainstorming and planning. Start out with a broad topic or a specific niche you want to write about. Use Gemini to generate ideas and create a comprehensive outline. Ask prompts like list down subtopics and key points for a long form articles on the history of artificial intelligence and click on submit. So this is an example prompt. You can structure your prompt by taking inspiration from this one and click on the submit button. And Gemini will generate topic and outline for that specific prompt. Now talking about another way Gemini can help in brainstorming and planning is keyword research. Gemini can help you identify relevant keywords and search terms. Provide a seed keyword and ask it to generate a list of related keywords and long tail keywords for an article about sustainable fashion. So this will help you with the SEO optimization and ensures your article covers all aspects of the topic. Now talking about another way Gemini can help you in creating long form articles is content creation. Long articles can be overwhelming. Divide your outline into smaller sections and tackle them one at a time. Use Gemini to write specific sections. Ask prompts like write an informative section on the environmental impact of the fast fashion industry for a long article on sustainable fashion. So this is the exact prompt that you're going to use for your content creation. Now click on the submit button and Gemini will give you an output. Provide context and specific instructions for each section. For example, you can write a persuasive section on the benefits of switching to a sustainable fashion brands, targeting a millennial audience for a long article on sustainable fashion. So you can provide context and specific instructions if you want to add other elements to your long form article too. Now talking about another aspect, that is style and tone. Ensure consistency throughout your article. Tell Gemini the desired tone, like write in a formal and informative tone or use a conversational and engaging style. So add the style and tone to your instructions and you will get a good long form article. Now if you want a very long article, you will have to go to the prompt box and type in write me an article and specify the length of the article you want from Gemini. For example, if I would want an article for 5,000 words, I will type in write me an article of 5,000 words. Now add the title of your long form article and hit enter. This can ensure that your article remains long form within a specific word limit if you wish. So that's the simple way you can use Google Gemini for creating long form articles. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.